Try not to smile or react to any of these songs.
It's something about the girl that just makes my head wanna twirl.
Even when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine.
We've been spending most our lives living in an Amish paradise.
I'm working for an hourly wage. I went to high school, didn't do great. Oh.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down.
That water's old.
You want to know who my stepfather told me that my mom was in the hospital? I was like, hello, did someone tell you for your mom? I was like, I had a panic attack, okay? I was already crying. I said, what? No, what did happen? What did happen? I thought she was dead, okay? Who tells you, who says something like that? He was like, no, calm down, she's just in the hospital. What happened? You know, I did call him back and I said, listen good, you little fucker. Next time, just tell me, hi, David, your mom is in the hospital. Don't tell me, did someone tell you for your mom? I thought she was freaking gone. He's a fucking idiot.
What did I do to my TTS lady?
Have nothing, I don't have to tell you anything at all. Unless
if I can prove that I never touched my balls, will you promise not to tell another soul what you saw? No one else was in the room where it happened. Is that a yes?
Hey, look at me! You are mine, right? Dot, 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 dot. Correct?
Yes! Baby!
And you love me, right?
Of course, babe!
You're lying.
No.
You think I'm crazy. You think I'm fucking crazy! Don't ya?
No, you're lovely.
I knew it. There's no fucking way I'd scare my sweetie. He truly loves me, right?
Yeah!
I love you, bestie. And if anyone stands in the way of our love...
Bestie!
Okay, so I've been getting really annoyed with these people. Yeah, I'm sick of them. So let's have a little fun. Hello?
Hello, can I speak to Jeanette Reyes?
This is she?
Hello, Jeanette. My name is Jason O'Neill. I'm calling in regards to an outstanding warrant we have for your arrest due to an outstanding balance of your account of $2,792.33.
I didn't know about that. Can I just pay for it now?
Yes, we can clear up this matter if you're able to make a payment right now with a debit or credit card of at least $2,500.
Sure. Yeah, I have a card ready now.
Okay, the card has your name on it?
Yes.
All right, and go ahead with the number, please.
It's 3, 2, 1. Good evening. We are live on television right now with an investigation into scam callers. We have the FBI on the line. They are tracking this phone number as we speak. Sir, what is your full name again?
Look, guys, even though I have crippling body dysmorphia and every single morning when I look in the mirror, I have this sudden urge to actually hurl into my own hands, I will say this. If I was walking down the street and I saw myself approaching me, I'd fuck me. I would.
I don't wanna die, but I don't wanna live like this. I just wanna feel something, I just wanna feel. I just wanna feel something, I just wanna feel something really real so that I can really feel like a person again.
Stranger. Still don't know my name. Still don't know my name.
Someone said describe yourself in a Canada, let's say it's a fictional character.
What the fuck? Why did I get the baby car? What kind of thing? Why?
Well, he looks at me, and I look at him, and he looks at me, and I look at him, and he looks at me, and I look at him, and he...
And stop staring at me with them big old eyes!
I just realized you can't talk while inhaling through your nose.
Oh my god, I can't! Oh! Oh, I can't. I can't do it!
Everyone, I'm currently bedridden with the second worst sunburn I've ever had, and I'd like to share with you guys the worst moment in my entire life. One time when I was 7, I was on vacation tubing on this river with my family, and I was eating these boys, the food of royalty, Cheetos in a can. And this random little girl comes up to me and goes, "Hey, what are those?" And I said, "What?" And she's like, "What are those?" And I go, "Cheeto. You never heard of Cheetos?" She goes, "No." And I said, "Dang, that sucks." And my mom forced me to give her the barrel instead. So I wait for like half an hour, and this girl's still nursing the Cheetos. So I'm like, I'm gonna take a nap so I don't have to deal with having to wait. And whenever I wake up 2 hours later, they're still gone. And I go, "Mom, what are the only snacks you allowed me to bring on this trip?" And she goes, "What?" And I said, "The Cheetos." And she goes, "Oh." The little girl pooped in them, and I said, "What?" And she's like, "Oh yeah, she needed to go to the bathroom, so she had to go in the Cheeto can because we were still in the river." And so I was really upset, but when I got home I was gonna buy more, but turns out they just stopped making them after I got home. So that was the last can I ever had. That's why I have trust issues, that's why I got this sunburn, and that's why I'll eventually develop skin cancer. I hate.
Want a break from the ass? Yes.
I have stickers. I have sticker. Oh, two sides of the sticker. Oh. I have salamander, 2 types. Salamander, huh? It's who you call him. Can you believe this? I'm 25. Please. I'm 25. And I'm happy about stickers. But... oh, it's not 2 sides. It's open hub. I'm so stupid.
He said that's how I sound like I'm moaning. Excuse me, I'm wheezing? Hello? Imagine, I'm getting pounded. I'm like
Oh my god.
That's just so funny.
I am just fucking imagining it, dude. Like it's like repeating in my fucking.
Oh, I have to fart.
What the fuck did I mean? What did I miss? What the fuck did I miss? I'm literally upstairs, my sister flushed the toilet, and I come to see a wee. Hello?
Let's get it. Let's go in the garden. You'll find something waiting right there where you left it, lying upside down.
When you finally find it, you'll see how it's faded. The underside is lighter when you turn it around.
Everything stays.
God damn.
So slowly, and nightly,
Your last saved audio and photo is your aesthetic.
I suck his dick with a smile for hours.
Welcome to today's episode of Animated Men I Would Sell My Body To at a Discount Price, the discount being free because I would never make these fine gentlemen pay for like me. Today's gentleman is Jean Kirstein. If there's one thing I've learned on the internet over the past year, it's that the giant horse weighs over 11 pounds. This rugged stallion will honestly be so grateful to have you pay attention to him and not the other two emos. He'll saddle himself up and take you on the ride of your life. This is the kind of man that doesn't have to ask, was this good for you? He knows it was. He made sure of it. What that mouth do, horse boy? Could accept chlamydia from this man as if it was an early birthday present. This man will fold you like a lawn chair you've owned since the 90s, spread you like butter on Cheesecake Factory bread, bend you like the Avatar, and wreck you like the Titanic. I almost wish I was a Titan so I could experience the joy of getting split by this ripped, ragged, and rugged Sheriff Woody. A natural-born leader with character development. Who wouldn't want to get stuffed? Fight the good fight, you Wild West himbo. That's all for today, folks. Join me next time to find out which animated man I'm throwing this slab of meat at.
Deku? Yeah, what's up, Kachan? Oh, this is so stupid! What do you mean? I'm pregnant now! What the fuck? Wait, what the fuck? Who's writing this? We haven't even named our last kid! Goo goo! What do we do? There's no way I'm giving birth! Not without me. Dr. Roki! Oh, you're a doctor again? No, I got fired. Why? For being too cold. What? Do you need some water? No, I'm fine. By the way, Bakugo, yours just broke. Oh, what the hell? Kachan? Deku! Todoroki. Ah! That's so fucking gross. Ah! Hello, Mom and Dad.
Imagine crying over a guy.
Jack, who's your favorite, Star Wars character?
Duet this video with your most handsome smile. Me first. Okay, now you. Oh, wow. I'm gonna eat those teeth.
Yeah, no, man. Give me a kiss. Kiss me, fat boy.
Hey, babe.
Yes.
Are you a ketchup bottle?
No.
Because I want to flip you over, hit it from the back, and make you squirt.
Haley! That's a lot.
What is on this thing? Say sus, but replace sus with sus? I'm not falling for that. What kind of idiot falls for that stupid idiot stuff? What the? There's one in there, and it's in special notes? It's in green and it's written better. Let's just move this. Say Pegasus, but replace P with M? Megasus? Not back. Just gonna walk in here. Back, it's okay. I'm just gonna stand play again.
Some unfortunate news. I positive tested for both. I positive tested for both. I positive tested for both. I tested for COVID. I coveted for both it. I positive test for. I got a new roach. I positive tested for COVID. I tested positive for both. I'm positive for both of them. I tested positive for COVID. 14 days in quarantine.
You're supposed to be Shaggy and I'm supposed to be Velma. It doesn't make sense for you to be Velma.
And is it weird that I'm Velma? Is it weird that I want to be Velma? Oh, 2019, I'm gonna be Shaggy and you're Velma.
Bro, look at this fucking snow. Oh, fuck. Oh, my shoe. No! You're dead ass right now. Are you?
Everyone's always asking me, oh, dude, where's your girlfriend?
I could have sworn oh, there it is. It's my right hand.
I have a nice cream. Just kidding. Stop. Let's go.
Okay, so here's something most people don't know. If you grab a bar of soap and draw a circle around your face in the mirror, like that, and then you back up,
like alright, like it makes sense him climbing it, and then it makes sense him going across it, but like how did he get like that?
Okay, Angel, Uncle, I can't read. I love these. Monogamy. Monogamy. Motorcycle.
And this message. Your thoughts create your reality. But you already knew that. Yet, you still live a life that you dread.
Excuse me.
That is because when you visualize your dream life, you unconsciously believe that it is.
This comment. Like I can stop thinking, wait. You look so good. Like always. Like you look really good. Get right.
I just woke up, should I drink water and stretch? Oh, no. I'm gonna drink 3 cups of coffee and smoke a cigarette instead. And then I'll go on social media until it's dinner time. Yeah, smoke some weed and then I binge eat. Then I got a little time to complain online. I'm anxious. Why is that doing this to me?
Ooh, it's a mystery. What could it be? Possibly it's all your apathy.
Why am I anxious? I would try to do anything to make my life feel better. Accept anything that makes my life feel better. Hey baby, I'm self-aware. I got that Headspace app because I care. Talk in the world don't mean shit if just like this guy. You're a hypocrite. Who you calling hypocrite? I'm a fucking martyr. I've given up sugar and no milk products either. Still feel anxious, it's just not fair for someone like me. So self-aware. You're not self-aware, you're a big dumb fuck with a dumb fuck face. And now you're out of luck. If you're so smart, why am I sad? Because twice a week you get on the bags. Well maybe it's that. It's definitely that. Do I need more hugs? Stop taking drugs. I guess we'll never know for sure. Yes we will, motherfucker, it's because why am I anxious? You only sleep 4 hours a night. Why am I anxious? You never ever that was rhetorical. Why did you just post a photo of yourself without a shirt on and the caption? Can anybody tell me? Why am I anxious? Why is God doing this to me? Even though I ask, I don't want to know. I want to get better but slow. Why am I anxious? I know what's good for me. Except everything. Oh, I think that could be it.